And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Hello. Hello. Have a great day. Have a good day. Yeah.
This is Sea Lion leader Ryan McMillan with this week's announcements. It's Red Ribbon Week. You can get involved by participating in the coloring contest, classroom read-alouds, and by viewing the community display on the field. Don't forget to wear your free bracelet. Boograms are on sale at the lunch tables before and after school on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Support 5th grade activities by sending them a ghostly goodie. Red Ribbon Week kicks off by waking up drug-free. Wear your favorite pajamas to school. Sea Lion course rehearsal is on Tuesday at 7:20 in the morning. Let's remember to be safe during drop-off by exiting your cars on the right side of the roundabout. Red Ribbon Week continues on Tuesday with a team day. It takes a team to stay drug-free. Represent your favorite team on Tuesday. It's Rally Day on Wednesday. Let's raise awareness for Red Ribbon Week by wearing our favorite McGaw Spirit gear and rallying around and being drug-free. On Wednesday, McGaw's community partners will set up a special display in support of Red Ribbon Week. You can check it out on the field during lunch. It's Halloween on Thursday. You could wear your costume in the morning to participate in our Halloween parade. This year, we will be meeting at 8:10 near the Sea Lion Pups Playground. Bring clothes to change into after the parade. This is a reminder that there is no reading lab on Thursday. Friday is a student-free day. That means that you don't come to school on Friday because the teachers will be at training. Thank you so much, Sea Lions. Have a fantastic week.
Hey, Sea Lions. It's Mr. Larson, and I have a special announcement just for you. It's time for you to celebrate Halloween by sending a special friend a ghostly gram. Halloween boograms are back. You can get a Halloween boogram after school or before school on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. They cost $1 each, and it comes with a glow bracelet. Go ahead and find a special friend, send them a boogram, and celebrate Halloween with the rest of us. Any donations go to 5th grade activities. Thanks so much, everyone, for putting in the volunteer work to make this happen. We appreciate you, and of course, I want to wish you a happy Halloween.
Oh, man.
Yeah, you're gonna take it out now.
Yeah.
Yay!
Then what should I put? What should I put my book?
Show them.
Let me see it.
There you go.
I got a robot. Universal Transitional Kindergarten.
Congratulations to TK student Alex Hamilton. Alex was being responsible and aware when he was being helpful in class and making sure his friends had paper and their jackets. Way to go to show kindness, Alex. We appreciate you.
Kindergarten.
Congratulations to kindergarten student in Mrs. Sizemore's class, Emily Spalazzo. Emily has been so responsible and aware in finishing her work and staying so focused. You are so kind, and you are turning into an excellent scholar.
First grade.
Congratulations to first grader from Miss Gardner's class, Miles Vale. Miles got a robot because he got a job to make sure his lunch peers didn't take the 2 through 5 balls from the cart, and he did a great job. Thanks so much for helping us sort out the PE equipment.
Second grade.
We want to celebrate second grader Mary Miklis. Mrs. Bassage wants to say thank you for being such a great friend in music. We appreciate you.
Third grade.
Congratulations to third grader from Miss Franderson's class, Leo Trujillo. Mrs. Pallone gave Leo a Robux for being responsible and returning a lost key to the owner. Thanks so much, Leo. You are awesome.
Fourth grade.
Congratulations to fourth grader from Miss Seigen's class. Give it up for Vaughn Wells. Vaughn was amazing in music, and he did a fantastic job participating respectfully with all his peers. We appreciate it, buddy.
Fifth grade.
Our final Robux winner of the week goes to a student in Mrs. O'Brien's class. Congratulations to Troy Ferguson. Troy finished running a mile with a great time, so he ran an extra lap with a friend to encourage them to keep going. And that, my friend, is how a leader leads. Well done, Troy.
Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great week. Bye.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.